Hey everyone, welcome to Cybersecurity Think Tank. So I'm going to start the lab 64th, analyzing a network by using the CAPTCHA network analyzer. See, network analysis is the part of when we are just working as a network admin, right? And you are working as a senior admin, and you have 150 system in the particular network, and you are just thinking, you are just checking, you are just monitoring each and every system. So you need something to check, to monitor the whole network with a single system, because in case somebody is doing DOS attack, in case somebody is doing sniffing, in case somebody is just attacking on your network, so you must know, being a security admin, that someone is accessing unauthorized access, or someone is sending something in your network. For that, we have to monitor, analyze the network. So we will use network analyzer. So we'll use the CAPTCHA for that. So CAPTCHA network analyzer is an easy to use Ethernet network analyzer, right? It's a packet sniffer and protocol analyzer for the network monitoring and troubleshooting. CAPTCHA is a portable network analyzer application for the both LAN and WAN, which perform the real-time packet capturing capability, 24/7 network monitoring, advanced protocol analysis, in-depth packet decoding, automatic expert diagnosis. It's a complete one, right? It goes one step ahead for sniffing by intuitively analyzing network packet and generating the meaningful information. Network administrator can use the CAPTCHA comprehensive high-level Windows view for monitoring entire network. So as I've told you, it's a complete package to monitor the network. So we can check now CAPTCHA network analyzer. There we go, the real-time network portable analyzer, CAPTCHA. This is the official site, www.colasoft.com/CAPTCHA. As you guys are just thinking about that packet builder also, so Colasoft is a packet builder also. Same side, they are just providing the sniffing. It's a real-time portable network analyzer. You can see here the CAPTCHA real-time portable network analyzer. CAPTCHA is tremendously powerful and comprehensive packet capture and analysis the solution with an easy-to-use interface, allowing both the veteran and the novice user to ability to protect and monitor the network in a critical business environment. It aids in keeping you assist of the threats that may cause the significant business out, right? So you guys can download the free trial also. This overview, right? Portable network analyzer for LAN and WAN both. Important part is for both LAN and WAN, and then with the most user-friendly interface, the most powerful packet and capture and analysis engine in the industry. CAPTCHA is a network necessary tool for the network monitoring. Okay. Then these are the key features. We should understand that the real-time packet capture, same time, right? Using 802.11, analyze advanced protocol analysis. Maybe I'm talking about the TCP, UDP. We have different type of protocol in a network. So it's advanced protocol analysis, user-friendly dashboard, easy to access simply, multiple network behavior monitoring, internet, email, and instant messaging. I'm talking about IAMs, right? Traffic can be monitored also and is stored, helping identify security and confidential data handling violations. Important one, right? Quickly pinpointing the network problems. It's all about you just thinking you are facing some problem, you want to troubleshoot your network. So it can also work like suspicious source can be detected and diagnosed, enable you to pinpointing the network problem in the same, right? Extensive statistics of each host, right? Here you can see the view IP analysis, notifying alarm by email and audio is fantastic. Task scheduler, auto run packet capture, and powerful TCP flow analysis. Isn't great? So finally, this is like System requirement is all about any Windows. Hardware requirement: CPU, RAM 2 GB, RAM 2 GB, Internet Explorer 6.0 RAM, right? So you can see here. So now we're going to install that. As you have downloaded, so we can check in the tools, CAPTCHA Network Analyzer. I'm going to install that. Yes. Next. I accept. Next. 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 Next, and then finally install. Here we got shortcut on desktop. So you can see here it's working with the Visual C++. It's finishing installation, and finally we have done. So here we go. I'm going to launch it. Okay, admin, the company, you can say here social 27. We don't have that, so next. Okay, we can click on cancel. Let me check it again. We have to create this. We're just filling the detail. It will take some time, so meanwhile we can open that particular mail ID. So meanwhile it's downloading, right? It will take some time. So it is almost we have done. This is We got the mail after registration. Thanks for downloading the ColorSoft CAPTCHA packet analyzer, and this is, they are providing the serial number for the trial version. So I'll suggest you to download this, so you'll get the trial version's serial number. So we can execute now. To open, yes. Company is Social 27. We are just giving the serial number we got. Next. Is attempting to connect with the server, then it will execute. Sorry. It got activated. We are clicking on finish. Here we go. Right, so we can see here the details. Here we can see the details, right? It's a Bluetooth network connection, it's a wireless network connection. We have the IP addresses. This is the local area connection. We have this IP. So I'm going to analyze. Full analysis on the wireless network. To check and then start. Waiting for the data. As you can see here, the graph is running. It's really fantastic. I mean, like, you can see here the graph. You can see here, and these are, this is utilization. We can see here the Protocol Explorer, IP version 6 details, right? We got 2 UDP. Right? SSDP and other. And one ICMP version 6 for the TCP one we got. This is HTTPS connection. The total 384 bytes, 5 packets, 7. It got captured, right? And this is a physical explorer. The local segments, 2 local hosts we got this one having this IP. This is the physical address of the system having this IP address. You can see here, like the total number of bytes, the packet, then broadcast, multicast, receive and send, right? IP address retail, second, having these IPs. This is the broadcast address. You can see here, having the IP addresses. Then we can diagnose. You can check. This is the protocol, IP, UDP, net BIOS, DNS and the datagram, IP endpoint, the complete subnet you can see here. Staking from endpoint 1 to 2, duration this is the TCP conversation and UDP in case. So it's UDP conversation from endpoint 1 to 2. There is nothing like TCP conversation, but still the IP is converting from endpoint 1 to 2 in a particular subnet. Same like we got it in UDP, we have an IP conversation. In the UDP we'll get, yeah, it is the matrix, right? This is the peer host, the packet sent 73, number of bytes sent is, the packet received, and the detail of the second system. The complete subnet we are taking from this node to this node, right? IP version 4 converging, this is all about the node. These are the packet details. This is the most important part is, this is absolute time, this is the source, this is the destination, the protocol we are using, and the size of packet we are capturing, should I say. You can see the graph over here. This is the traffic history, isn't it? And this is about your log file, global logs, DNS, email, FTP, HTTP, Yahoo and all. In case we are just sending something, then you will get. And final report is this. This is the complete subnet is taking, the summary statistics, the start time, the duration, the traffic, the broadcast, the IP count, the TCP, DNS, FTP, all things. And the most important part, different IPs having the number of bytes we have sent with the number of packets. In case you just guys want to check with the LAN, then Bluetooth, each and everything you can do it. These are the filter. This is all about to stop in case you are clicking, so you can finally, because still it's working, and it will work because network is working, so all the time it will work. It's nothing like that whatever you see. Network monitoring is a part. It's not that you have started the scanning part and after some time you will get end, because network is still working, so all the time it will work. Because that's why in the tool, as we have seen, you know, the features, that's why it was just showing 24/7, because network is working all the time, so network monitors will work all the time. See, in case something is happening, then definitely you will get the packet buffer suddenly change. That is the only thing that you will get that. In case bandwidth suddenly change, you can get that there's something is happening in the network. When some network bandwidth goes down or something again in high, or your load balance is not working, or someone which is not in your subnet, in that particular subnet, right, you can get that. It simply means that someone is just doing all these things. The top IP addresses, you can see here, the name, the percent inbound, outbound, number of bytes with the packets. There are only three things. Important part is IP address, right, number of packets, and number of bytes. Nothing like IP address, simply all about the source and the destination. From which source we are just sending the packet to the which destination. Having the IP address, and that particular MAC address is bind with that particular IP address, and we have some you know, like the protocol analysis, like what kind of packet we're sending, right, you know, like TCP packet, IP packet, whatever the packet we're sending, and then we can think about that particular size of the packet, number of bytes, and number of packets we have sent. Because in case somebody sending like you know, in case I send only 8 packets and bytes are is all about someone sometime 15 MB. So simply you can think about that, some really heavy packet, so that is suspicious packet, that particular source is suspicious, so you can check it out what kind of packet is sending. And packet analysis, you have each and everything. I mean, like, you can do the complete, you can get the complete packet detail here, like packet number, packet length, captured packet, time stamp, source, destination with the hex values. This is like some we are just talking about the Colosoft packet builder. This is, you can see, this is the Colosoft inbuilt in the capsa. I'm telling you, right? So there's a report. You can save as also, but it's not for the free version, right? So you guys can see here. So this is all about, we have finished the lab 64th, analyzing a network by using the capsa network analyzer. Thank you.